The question is, find the market value of 280 rupees 100 shares at a premium of rupees 15. So here 280 is number of shares whose face value is rupees 100 and it is available at premium of rupees 15. Premium means the market value is above the face value by 15 rupees. So market value is rupees 115. We need to find the market value of 280 shares. So total market value of 280 shares will be 115 times 280, which is rupees 32,200. The next question is, find the market value of 60 rupees 25 shares at a discount of rupees 6. So here number of shares is 60 of face value 25. Face value of one share is rupees 25 and it is available at a discount of 6 rupees. So market value is lower than face value by 6 rupees. So market value will be 25 minus 6, which is rupees 19. We need to find the total market value of 60 shares. So total market value of 60 shares will be 19 times 60, which is rupees 1140. So market value of 60 shares is rupees 1140.